Hi everyone, it's Nabo's Couture. I want to teach you how to make your trouser pockets. So this is our trouser and this is one part of the front. What you're just going to do, you're going to come on this part of the waist part, which is the side, the hip part. You're going to mark 7 inch like so. You see the 7 inch, I've marked it. You come in with your scissors and you give it a quick notch like so, like half an inch. You're going to notch just half an inch. You come in with your pocket you've already cut. We'll be sending you a link on how to cut the pocket. You place it like so. You go to that same 7 inch where you notched earlier. You're just going to give it a notch so that the pocket will have the same notch size. See, they are the same. So you come on this part of the waist. You can decide to take 1.5 or 2 inch, but for me I'm working with 1.5 like so. So after marking the 1.5 from your waistline this way, you come into your sewing machine and you're going to just take it slant up to this point where you have the notch. So you can see always in the double stitch. So we are going to sew it like so. Have you seen double stitch? The end part. You come in with your scissors, cut off your threads as usual to give you a perfect finishing. So you bring it up like so. Have you seen? If you notice on the pocket part, we had to iron gum stay. It's an interfacing. It's called gum stay. You place it this way. Have you seen it? So what you have left on this part, you take it to your sewing machine. You're going to sew it through. Make sure here is smooth and flat as well. So you just sew it all the way like so. Double stitch that part and you endeavor to cut your thread as usual. So after we are done doing this, it's less than 5 minutes. After you're done doing this, you want to take this part of the trouser this way. Have you seen what I've done? You're taking it this way and you come into your sewing machine. You take like 0.25 or quarter of an inch and you want to sew through it like so. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Go like half an inch downwards, double stitch, you turn it like so. Are you seeing what I'm doing? And you double stitch this way and you go downwards like so. Are you seeing how fine the pocket is coming out? See? So now we want to bring back our pocket. Don't forget, this is just one side of the pocket. So now we brought back our pocket like so. So the 1.5 inch you took while you were sewing this way, you're going to bring it out this part of the pocket. So we'll just come here and we're going to mark 1.5 like so. So we are going to take this part of the pocket and we are placing it on the 1.5 like so. Lay it properly. You can see. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Our pocket is almost out. So you want to bring down back this part like so. The same ½ inch you use in sewing, you're going to put the pockets together like this and you're going to notch it with ½ an inch. The same ½ an inch you use in sewing this other way, you're putting it with ½ an inch like so. Have you seen it? So now the next thing you want to do, you want to turn this thing this way, back facing back. Take it to your sewing machine like I'm doing and you will sew it through like so. Then you come this way as well. You want to sew it through like so to where you have this notch. To where you have the notch, don't forget. So we are done. So the next thing you want to do, you put your hand into the pocket like so. You bring it out like this. Make sure the edges are neatly done, sorry. You can see. So on this part, you come in with your sewing machine and you're going to sew it on top of it like so. Sew it like this. Have you seen it? So you cut your threads to make your work neat, like I usually say. Our pocket is ready. So now, have you seen it? It's less than 5 minutes. So this is how the can make your pocket.